Root to Mathematics. In this video, going to solve this interesting factorial equation. So here we have given if m factorial equals to m cube minus m, then find the value of m. Okay. So here we need to find the value of m from this given equation. So without any delay, let's get started. So what we have given m factorial equals to m cube minus m. As we know that factorial is nothing but product of all positive integers. Suppose we have a number 5 factorial, then 5 factorial is nothing but 5 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 1. And if I take m factorial, so m factorial can be written as m multiplied with m minus 1, m minus 2, and this will continue until 1. Okay. And another thing to understand, this 5 factorial can be written as 5 factorial equals to 5 multiplied with 4 factorial. Okay. Similarly, we can write this m factorial as m multiplied with m minus 1 factorial. Okay. Equals to, here I'll take m common. So m multiplied with m square minus 1. Okay. Now this m and this m will cancel each other. So now we are left with m minus 1 factorial equals to m square minus 1. Here I'll apply an algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. Okay, considering a as m and b as minus 1. So here I can write m minus 1 multiplied with m plus 1. Okay. Now in the next step, I can write this m minus 1 factorial as m minus 1 multiplied with m minus 2 factorial equals to m minus 1 multiplied with m plus 1. Okay. Now cancelling this m minus 1 and m minus 1 from both the side, we have m minus 2 factorial equals to m plus 1. Okay. Now in the next step, let's just consider m equals to some constant value plus 2. So here I have taken plus 2 in order to eliminate this minus 2. Let's just put the value of m here. So here I can write k plus 2 minus 2 factorial equals to k plus 2 plus 1. Okay. This implies this plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled out. So here we are left with k factorial equals to k plus 3. Now in the next step, k factorial, I'll take this k to the left hand side. So this will become minus k equals to 3. Now this implies is k multiplied with k minus 1 factorial minus k equals to 3. This implies is, now if I take k common, so here we have k minus 1 factorial minus 1 equals to 3. Now as you can see that this equation is equal to the value 3. So the value of k here can be two numbers. It is either 1 or 3. So k can be either 1 or 3. Let's just check for which value this equation is satisfying. So if k equals to 1, so we can put 1 in place of k now. So 1 minus 1 factorial minus 1. So this equals to 1, and here we have 0 factorial minus 1. So 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So here we are getting 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. As here we are getting 0, which is not equals to 3. So k equals to 1 is not satisfying. Now let's just check if k equals to 3. Okay. We'll put the value of k as 3. So 3 multiplied with 3 minus 1 factorial minus 1. So this equals to 3. Here 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial minus 1. This equals to 3 multiplied with 2 factorial is nothing but 2 minus 1, which is equals to 3 multiplied with 1, which is 3. So here we are getting the value 3, which is equals to our right hand side of this given equation. So k equals to 3 is the value of our constant. Now, before we have assumed that m equals to k plus 2, let's just put the value of k here. So m equals to 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. We are getting m equals to 5. Okay. Now let's just check m equals to 5 is satisfying our main equation or not. So in the left hand side we have m factorial, and in the right hand side we have m cube minus m. So here we are getting 5 factorial, which is equals to 120, and in the right hand side here we have 5 cube minus 5. We know that 5 cube is 125 minus 5. So here we are also getting 120. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So m equals to 5, satisfying the given equation. So this is our correct answer. I hope you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.